Is Google Ads only search ads? Not at all. Google is more than the Google page. So what search ads mean is when you go to Google and you see the four ads at the top, those are the what we call the Google is much more than search. It has got video, which is on YouTube. Every time you go to YouTube, you see a pre-roll video which comes up before the actual video is placed, which we call the in-stream or the skippable ads. And the skip ad come button pops up after 5 seconds. So those ads pop up. You will also see a banner along the bottom half of the video. Those are the display ads as well. You will see on the Google page when you search something on YouTube, you will see ads on the top of YouTube. So those are ads over there. So we've got YouTube, which is the second highest, second biggest, I should say, search engine in the world after Google. And if you don't know, Google owns YouTube as well. So YouTube ads are run through Google Ads. So they're not separate, they're all in the same interface. Then we have Gmail. Over, I think, 3 billion users are using Gmail. And you can put your message in front of the right audience on Gmail. Then you have GDN, which is the Google Display Network. When you go to websites like ESPN, New York Times, or any blogs where Google can place ads, you'll see ads over there. It's one of the biggest advertising network in the world. And there, if you're not using GDN, YouTube, Gmail, you're missing out big time because search is only a fraction of what Google is. So we've got GDN, then we've got shopping ads, which you see with the images along the top of the Google page. Shopping ads are mostly for e-commerce stores. If you're selling something online, you can leverage the power of shopping ads to put your products in front of your target audience. So there's loads and loads of ways where you can place your ads in front of Google. So don't just go on the search network only. Have a strategy where you are targeting your ads on all these channels, because you've got to have a multi-touch marketing campaign going. It's not a case of somebody sees your ads, clicks on it, comes to the website and converts. They're going to come to your website, then they're going to go to your competitors one, then they're going to go to social, then they'll search again, then they'll go all over the internet to find that perfect or the right product or the service, and then they're going to convert. Going back a few years, we used to say it needs 7 to 8 touch points before a person converts. Nowadays, it's more like 30 to 35 touch points before somebody converts. So if you're missing out on video, Gmail, GDN, and shopping, then you're missing out big time. And there's some more other ad platforms, types like hotel ads. And there's a new one which has popped out, which is in fact all-in-one performance max campaigns. These are also really good. All of these are in one campaign type. So it's very, very powerful way of putting your message in front of people.